Hi, I'm Christina Monty Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. How many of us know when we buy bananas at the grocery store, they get eaten, but then there's always like 2 or 3 stragglers that kind of just get left on the counter. They turn brown and then you're like, oh God, I gotta make the banana bread. What's that recipe? What do I do? Anyways, this is a super simple, quick, fast one. Okay, so as you all know, with baking, you have to separate your wet ingredients from your dry ingredients. So I'm just gonna put all the dry ingredients in this bowl here. So we're going flour, it's 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of flax meal. We've got the baking soda, we've got the salt, a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of nutmeg. So just mix this up so it's ready to go. I'm not gonna forget the walnuts this time. The last 2 times I made banana bread, I completely left the walnuts out. Now we are going to the wet ingredients. I'm gonna put my banana in here. Sugar. It's sticking because it's organic. Okay, isn't that cool? Here we go, the applesauce. I leave it on low, it doesn't need to get crazy. Okay, now I'll put my eggs in. Here's the coconut oil. If you want to try this with avocado oil or olive oil, go for it and just let me know how it came out. I'd love to know. Now it's ready for the dry ingredients, which we've already mixed together. Get that in there. Whole wheat flour, flax meal, baking soda, salt, nutmeg, cinnamon. Boom. So the banana bread is mixed. It took all of, 3 minutes? So easy. I always forget the darn walnuts. That's why I knew I had to chop them. Okay, so let's just put some walnuts in here. Let's get this into the pan. Just kind of smooth it out on the top here. And then it's gonna go into the oven at 350 for 50 minutes. I'm gonna check it at 50 minutes, and if the toothpick comes out clean, it's coming out of the oven, okay? But if it's a little bit sticky still, then we'll leave it in for another 5 to 10 minutes. Setting the timer, 50 minutes. Almost done here. The timer is going off, so let's just see. It looks good. This is 50 minutes. There is some banana yumminess, okay. It's good, I can feel it. Let's get it there. It smells so good. There we go. We'll save these for Jonathan because he will love those. And here you go. It's my banana bread. Well, have a great day. Thanks for watching. I hope you try the recipe.